Hey everyone, ever been stuck on a problem and wished you had someone smart to bounce ideas off you? Maybe you are facing a tricky decision, need a help brainstorming, or just want a fresh perspective? Well, guess what? Qwenlm Ai is here to lend a virtual hand. It's a powerful AI that can provide surprisingly helpful advice on a wide range of topics, and in this quick tutorial, we will show you exactly how to tap into its advice-giving potential. First things first, let's go to Qwenlm Ai website. Tap on it. This will take you to the Qwenlm chat. And always make sure that you have already logged into your account. This will make the process more faster and easier. Once you have logged in, you can see this type of interface. And on the screen, you can see a lot of options. There's artifacts, web search, image generation, and video generation, create, code, make a plan, and there's more options. Tap on more. And under more option, you can see an option for get advice. And that's what we need for this video or what we need right now. Tap on it. And this will open on several options for you. Let me spell out some of them. Give me an advice about public speaking, about saving money, finding a purpose, and overcoming your fear, and there's a lot more. While using this, don't just state your problem passively, be direct and ask for the guidance. Let's try something. Let's tap on it. Let's see what it gives. And just like that, you get an advice. Pretty cool, right? Let's see the advice it gives. First is access your current situation, and it says you have to do a self-reflection on what I do enjoy doing in my current role, and there's the skill that you are excelling at. Where do you need an improvement, and where do I see myself in 5 or 10 years? And there's a feedback. You have to set a goals, invest in continuous learning, certifications, and under that there's certification, upskill, soft skills, building a strong network, take an initiative, explore new opportunities and challenges, and it's quite good in my view. You can check it them one by one. And that's it for today. This video made your day a little bit easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.